Was actually really expecting this downtrend yesterday. I looked at the markets last night, um, and I saw we were trending up even more um, later in the night after we had already had a very strong, trendy New York session. We saw continued selling straight up pretty much during the nighttime. Definitely was expecting the shorts to absolutely cook. Was I expecting it this hard? They came in extremely strong, very quickly too, very efficient. So that's crazy. I had a 1 minute sell for 215 when I went to bed. Ooh, tough, 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 tough. Morning Doggle, morning Texas, morning New, morning Purgy. Swush, do those nose strips help? I've been looking into them, dude. At this point, I'm gonna start needing like a fucking affiliate code. Yes, trust me, they're not for aesthetics, dude. I wear them because I genuinely cannot breathe in the morning sometimes. So like I genuinely need it. I'm gonna start fucking giving you guys a referral code at this point. Morning Tony, morning Mango. So kind of interesting area. We are rejecting from the 15-minute EMA, but we're also slightly holding above the 30-minute EMA right now. So we're not in technically, for me at least, we're not in a prime entry area as we're bouncing between two different confluences at the moment. So what do? We wait until we're not trapped in this like little zone right here. So we just stay patient here. Um, we can see, guys, premium that 900 region levels I was talking about last night is what played down here. So even though the timing was, it came into play a lot later, the technical remains the same. As we can see, that general bounce around that area, expand down to that little 5 minute uh, fucking gap. I thought you had nose rings on. All right.
Cause I ain't never let it come to that one time. To be real, man, I never did one crime. But none of my brothers could caption that line at all. Kill me, that's talent God wasted. Instant noodle sriracha, I still taste it. When mama was too tired to cook and we had the basics. Instant noodle sriracha, I still taste it. Now it's a movie, I'm back at Bellage wasted. Niggas love trap on my back with the walls facing. Big body frames, wasn't in the car racing. Me and Chubbs drive by, shorty hard racing. I always end up dropping the top when it starts raining. Living in a 6-8 week sun blazing. After that, Achilles just go into hibernation. Damn, rest in peace, dollar bill. How I get a girl and girls still wanna holler still. How I'm so famous, gotta live where they hide the hills. Everybody that survived got survivor's guilt. My label gotta prove they love me, gotta wire mills. My boy Kitchen's done looking like a flour mill. You niggas' faces looking like you drink sour milk. And your album's like some motherfucking fire drills. It's like the shit feels real, but it's never real.
Jay, why does your chart look like that? All right, guys. Still holding below this 15-minute here. Is it Haikanashi? Doesn't look like it. It is? I think it's because I was looking at the black candles going down, and I was like, well, like merged together, but I guess it's just because of the color or the borders around it. No sound? Oh my god. No audio. Hello. Thanks for telling me. Thanks for finally telling me, TikTok. I've been live for like, what, 10 minutes now? Someone finally said no sound. Thanks, guys. FOMC at 2. FOMC at 2. Yeah. Can I get a discount for premium, please? Alright. This my dreams come true. My life in diamonds. Who knew? Does trading FOMC hurt? I don't know. Try it out. Report back to me later on. Just to hold you down. grew up to be who I want to beats out. I'm shine. Way before it's done. Are we lagging? Are we lagging at all? No. British managers. Oh shit, my camera's cut. You see the 4-hour FTG played? Are we talking about the one that we're in currently? I see the 4-hour EMA played fucking crazy. Oh my god. Look at that. Absolute perfect tap of it. 1 hour. Yeah, I had a feeling shorts were gonna cook like overnight. It's just we were so overextended.
Got a lot of the shit like this, nigga. And I ain't even said it or wrote it yet. I just feel it, you know? Yeah. Overtime, cause I ain't have a mic. I was in that Chevy. Yeah. Overtime, cause I ain't have a mic. I was in that Chevy playing Savage Life. Niggas looking like I had it wrong. Now the niggas know I had it right. They don't know about them sleepless nights. Them looking for a reason nights. They said 6 degrees in life. Opportunity, preparation, they meet us nice. You see me up in Neiman's, right? My chain and my pinky bright. A valet is to say his bed. Looking like somebody that people like. Can't but help to think how fake it is.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Nightwolf, that's kind of like a common thing it does. It's kind of a common thing. You'll notice it a lot around big news prints as well. When New York session is accumulating and moving sideways, expect big movement, distribution moves to happen overnight or aftermarket. Expect it to happen. It's not accumulating for no reason. Just because it's accumulating, when it accumulates, all it's doing is gathering liquidity. It's charging up for a big move. That's exactly what happened yesterday. Very fucking pretty perfect PO3 here. Accumulation phase, the manipulation trickle up, and then absolute fucking dump down. Pretty crazy. Dude, this PA is fucking ugly though. Oh my god. This PA is disgusting. I bet a bunch of people are just blowing accounts right now. That literally happens every second of every day. Every second of every day. Okay, buddy. All right. Happens every second of every day. You want to know why? Because retail traders are stupid. Oh, dummies. I've never blown an account. But alright. I've seen that guy in chat talking about blown accounts, I think last week.
Yeah, life. Life is the only thing we need. They need me to go, but I don't want to leave. Rest in peace, Lil Keith. Fuck a pigeonhole. I'm a night owl, this a different mode. I'ma have to make a paint of 6 on a pinky toe. Heard you with a shooting guard, just let a nigga know. I would have you courtside, not the middle row. All good love in a minute though. I can't stress about no bitch cause I'm a timid soul. Plus I'm cooking up ambition on the kitchen stove. Pot start to bubble, see the suds, that shit good to go. Whole sound suave, but I can't get me cold. Bro, think he John Wayne. I bought them Yellowstones, love the way they hang, babe. For the silicone, everybody fake now. You could crack the code, bust down everything. Setting rose gold, dread talking to you niggas like I'm J. Cole. I could tell her head good before I even know. Bitch, don't tell me that you model if you ain't been in vogue. Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace to Drama King. We was straight stunned. You don't like the way I talk, niggas say something. Gotta throw a party
Dude,
for my day ones.
I don't like this PA.
Pull up and you know it's us, the bass jumping. You don't like the way I talk and say something.
Looks like we're trading FOMC later.
Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace to Drama King. We was straight stunned. If I let my nigga 21 tell it, you a pussy. Spin a block twice like it ain't nowhere to park. Smack the back side of his head like he bark. OVO for well, we come out when it get dark. Big stepper, he came.
How do you know which gap to trade?
Let my brother drive while I shoot team effort. Asking all these questions, bitch, you must think you Nadeska. The chopper like to fill on all the autism and love. With lemon pepper. She wanna hear some Afro beats cause she just popped a Tesla. All that working out, that nigga must think he a wrestler. But this ain't UFC, this chopper came with a compressor. This chopper came with a compressor. This chopper came with a, this Glock 45 came with a switch. If I was Will Smith, I
thoughts on TJR situation? GG's. 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 I don't think it matters, you know? I don't think it matters what anyone thinks or says about TJR. People are still going to watch him. Let me tell you guys something about the trading space. Like I just said 2 seconds ago, majority of retail traders are stupid. A, because of the role models and influencers that we have in this space who have a lot of the attention of people, of retail. You know, the biggest influencers are like the biggest fucking jesters. Tori trades. She trades trend lines. Danny trades. Been exposed. All these traders, TJR is just funny. He's just funny. People are still going to watch him because of that fact. Even if they know he's a bad trader, people are still going to show up to his trades. People are still going to show up to his live streams every day for entertainment. And that is what's wrong with the majority of retail, and especially the younger kids that are into trading. It's like, you guys ever scroll on TikTok or something and you see like a podcast clip with like a Rocket League clip right below it. It's to get your attention focused on the Rocket League clip, and you're still listening, but like that's what has your attention right now, right? That's what keeps your attention, because people are so like, people can't focus on one thing. People can't just be focused anymore. So it goes to the same thing with who you choose as your trader or your mentor. You're going to watch someone because they're funny, they're entertaining, that they keep you stimulated, they keep you, you know, they keep you entertained. And when you are trading, the last thing you want to be doing to yourself is that. The last thing you want to be doing is continuously being stimulated by something. Like, trading is supposed to be boring. Trading is supposed to be slow. It's supposed to be this not very like I don't even know the word. Like, you're not supposed to constantly be stimulated. So I think that's a very big problem, is a lot of traders are like, oh no, I really do like him though, and I follow his trades because he's a really funny guy. Like, how can, he's just like me, bro. He's just like me. He's really funny. And that's just the absolutely wrong outlook to have when you are looking to follow somebody. I've never watched TJR's boot camp, but I know that is like the blueprint for a lot of people. You know, like a lot of beginner traders are like, that's where they start, is the TJR boot camp. I don't think that's bad necessarily. Like, you're learning terminology, you're learning very basic like concepts. Are they to be absolutely followed to a T and traded upon by yourself? Absolutely not. But I think it's a good starting point for people, because, you know, they're getting an introduction to the terminology and kind of just core market structure, market fundamentals, right? Like waiting for the break of structure, waiting for simple things. Like I said, I've never watched it, so I really don't know what he teaches on there, but I know it's like basic ICT stuff, which is good. But like I said, TJR getting exposed literally means nothing. It means nothing. It means nothing for any trader that's actually been trading for more than 5 months. It means nothing at the end of the day. He's already incredibly rich. People are still gonna watch him because he's not a trader anymore. He's more than a trader. He's an entertainer. He's a streamer. Like, he's a streamer. Same thing with Patrick Wayland. Is Patrick Wayland actually a good trader? No. Old heads just relate to him, so they watch him and they find him funny. So old heads watch him. He has an audience. TJR will always have an audience of these young kids that don't, they're looking for dopamine. They're looking for yo, let's full port. Like, they're looking for full port jokes. You know, they're looking for gay jokes. You know what I mean? Like, TJR is always going to have his audience. He's not going to, like, if anything, he's more popular now that he got exposed than before. He's even more popular now. His clips are going to be circulating even more now. So, thoughts on it? Doesn't really matter. Am I surprised? No. Do I know that almost every single major influencer in the trading space will be exposed and is getting exposed like every single week? Yes. You know what I mean? It's a trickle effect. It's like every day it's someone new, you know? Last week it was, who was it last week? It was last week or the week before. It was Justin Werlin. And was that like a marketing ploy for him? No, apparently he was changing his strategies like all the time. You know what I mean? Like I said before in my video, like, if you are posting on social media like a content creator, it's because that's what you are. You are a content creator in the trading space. Would you trust a content creator with financial fucking advice? With trading advice? I don't know, man. I don't know. Tori Trades got exposed also. Apparently she trades her uncle's account. No, her uncle trades and she just uses his screenshots. Like, I don't know, man. You guys have seen how oversaturated kind of the trading space has been, so it's getting a lot of attention, getting a lot of people being exposed. I just don't understand. Like I said yesterday to the premium members, it's like, listen, I'm speaking from personal experience. When I was being like a loudmouth trader trying to be entertaining, so, you know, I'd maximize my views, I was averaging 500 to 1,000 viewers every single TikTok live stream. We had more people than ever in the group when I was being an entertaining trader. But then when I'm actually locked in as a trader, when I'm actually just solely focused on the trading, on being disciplined, on being, you know, focused on just the charts, the sample size is this big. The audience becomes this big. So if that doesn't tell you enough, I don't know. Like, it just goes to show you where the head space is of how cooked the entire kind of space kind of is. But it's okay. It's okay. Everyone switches mentors every day. That's also true. That's also true. Which isn't good because you need to master one strategy. You need to master one strategy. Guys, I haven't changed my strategy ever. I haven't changed my strategy ever. Since I started, like I have previously, I'm saying I haven't changed my strategy once since I've started signaling trades to people. Haven't switched my strategy once. And I've been doing this for what? 3+ years now? 3+ years on live stream signaling trades. I've been doing it for 3 years and haven't changed my model once. So if that doesn't tell you right there, I don't know what will. You just gotta focus with one strategy and master it. When you're constantly switching, you're over complicating it. You're never going to be good at one strategy if you're just switching from strategy to strategy. I think it's good to have a knowledge of multiple strategies, but only trade one every single day, because you'll end up being very good with that one strategy if you can just focus on it day in and day out. Then you used to have hella followers on TikTok. That's how I found you. TikTok. Why did you get banned? I got banned like what, a year and a half ago for I think it was for the meme coin live stream. Like specifically, I think it was for the meme coin live stream. When we launched the biggest meme coin on the Solana blockchain. When we did that. Chat, what levels are you guys looking at? Chat, what levels are you guys looking at? Tell me. At the moment, market is looking NT for me right now, non-tradable. Shade trades. Jumped in the shorts. Alex, you don't DM me, bro. What's that about?
Victory lap.
Yeah. Looking for previous low day.
Came in the world crying and fussing. Nigga, we ain't had nothing. Every ghetto, I know the same. We trying to make a little change. Preacher man come around talking.
When you use fib on pretty much every external
Whip it till I'm pulling off the lot.
move.
Imagine when I pull it off the lot. New shit come without a top. Once I'm on, I ain't never gonna stop. Bitch, I'm on, I ain't never gonna stop.
It's a very good tool. Extremely good tool. From external highs to external lows.
Flip chicks, whip, get money. Niggas get to playing with the money. Click bang for the money. Shit.
Helps you find potential pullback areas.
See a nigga on the bottom. Catch a come up, gotta keep it on the low. A nigga plug, bless a nigga with a hoe. Wanna break the bitch down in the 36 hoes. Look at here, bitch, I'm in.
Helps you find pullback areas and balance levels. So
We gon' hit my line. We ain't gon' waste no time. She sucking and we fucking like she need me. Once she make a bankroll easy. All the light in the room from the TV. We getting it on, then I'm gone. It's the type of shit that a nigga be on. Too much on my mind right now. I'm on the grind right now. Looking for me, sucker, then I need to be found right now. I got my 9 right now.
I would say the same. I think we do want this low here. We also have that unmitigated level right here at 860. Which at this point, since we are just kind of sticking in this range, I could potentially be open to taking that trade, sweep of that low and tap into that unmitigated level, because we probably do just stick in this range until FOMC later on today. 750 is just so far, Jay. 150 points away. This entire range is 100 points. Pretty much. It's a little under 150 points. So are we really going to see further expansion down to it? I don't know. I would like to bet that we consolidate up until the FOMC meeting because we've already seen extremely strong trend yesterday, which has now been mitigated and filled. So there's no reason to really go to the buy side anymore. Further down than I think where we are right now, and this is just my analysis of it, and I think next thing could probably potential fill is the sell side now a little bit, but I think we're probably staying in this range until the FOMC meeting personally, but I could be wrong for sure. Watching longs here. What time is FOMC? It's at 2. If we do hold above the CE here, we have about 30 seconds on this candle close here, so we'll see. It's fucking dumping very hard right now, so be patient. Yeah, long or shorts just started to cook. Holy shit. Okay, yeah, Jay. I guess 750 is the move here. Holy cow. Shall we try longs here? Whoa, wait, Conor McGregor's fighting again? Wait, McGregor's fighting Oliveira? Is that real? Yo, wait, McGregor's fighting Oliveira? In July. That... Who do you guys got in that? I'm taking Oliveira. Not gonna lie. Chat, thinking about longs here. Just for a quick write up. No, not getting any hold. Okay. We're gonna try it. Filled in here. Quick little scalp trade. I'm not expecting this to be a huge little trade. I just want to write it up to level up here. Stop just at the low. Up 500, guys. I'll be TPing at 1200 or at 120 ticks, which will be 1200. Not really a normal trade for me here, but I don't know. My gut was kind of telling me to get in on this. Let's hope it was right. Give you guys something to fucking get here, boys. There we go. There we go. Up 950, bang, 1200 bucks, 120 ticks right there. Let's get the W's if you guys made some money on that trade, guys. Beautiful little trade there. Let's see the W's if you guys made some money on that trade, man. 120 ticks, 1200 bucks. First trade of the day. Done. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Damn, that's all the W's that I get. Ooh! I'm quitting live stream. Have a good day. I rode that shit. Nice, bro. Nice, guys. Calm down, Signal Boy. Let's get a ban on Alex. We take that, fellas. We take that. 4th of 5 winning days. Thanks, Swush. Let's go, Randy. Nice, brother. Like I said, that's kind of just a gut trade right there. Obviously, some technicals behind it, but I think the entry timing was really important on that. We actually had a really good timing on that, and perfect TP. Ride it up to to that level. As we overextend down, we just trade the at least halfway pullback. We snag our 1,200 bucks where we can get it, guys. That is a market knowledge trade. Oh God, it is. Slide me a 20, Swush. All right. All right. All right, guys. Well, I'm out of here. Good day. Good Wednesday. Premium poster gains. Tag me. 1 for 1 on the day. Yeah, I'm out of here, bro. I'm out of here. It's FOMC day. Get me off, bro. Get me off the charts. Get me off the charts. We trading FOMC, Swush? No. No. Load up on Apex evals and hit sell at FOMC. Yo, I'm actually not opposed to it. I'm not opposed to it. With the new Apex rules. It does sound intriguing. Use code Swush at Apex, guys. All right, guys, I'm out of here. TikTok, if you guys want to join the free Discord is linked in my bio. Come join us in the Discord. I live stream every single day for our premium members. Not for free. I only do 1 free live stream once a week on Wednesdays. If you guys want to trade live with me every single day, click that link in my bio. We got a free Discord you guys can join. Yada, yada, yada. Another winning day. Another winning Wednesday. What are we on? A 5 streak right now? A 5-week winning Wednesday streak. I think it's 4 or 5. It's 4 or 5 weeks in a row. Every single winning Wednesday has been a winning Wednesday. Live in front of hundreds of people, of course. Just doing our thing, man. Just trading. That's it. Simple. But I'm off, guys. Remember, it's FOMC day. We have the FOMC data print at 2, and then we have the meeting at 2:30. If you trade PM session, do not forget about this because you will get your ass tickled, bro. Okay? So be smart. Don't forget about it. If you're already up on the day like me and you guys caught that trade, I'm closing down my charts and calling it a day. I'm happy with a nice little $1,200 in the day. So yeah, peace, guys. Love.